seem to be with me there too.
God damn, this shit was bright. Alright. Audio sync in 1, 2. Audio sync in 1, 2. Right, so I don't know what the fuck is this video about with the camera kept in focus. We're gonna cook teriyaki chicken. Teriyaki chicken. Yeah, it's a really easy recipe that I'm pretty sure most people can. First of all, you want to fry your chicken, obviously. I'm gonna put you here first. The oil can be new, the oil can be just, you know, old oil and everything, but all you need to do is put the oil over there. It's chicken. And then, one of the key recipe to make this thing work is just using this. Come on. It's not sponsored, but it's teriyaki chicken. The recipe is literally just fry the chicken, right? Fry it well, and then you put the chicken in it. No. You fry the chicken until it's dry, and after you fry the chicken until it's dry, you saute it. Is that the word? Is that the term? Saute it? Or caramelize? I don't know. I'm not a fucking chef. You fucking caramelize it with that, the teriyaki sauce, and then you guys have a teriyaki chicken. And the oil's heating up right now. Hopefully it'll make a grease fire, but we'll cut back to when the oil's hot and I can ready to fry, alright? So essentially the best way to know if the oil's hot or not is just you put your hand in there, and hopefully, the hair it burns. If you put your hair on top of the oil and your hair is gone, then you know it's hot. I'm just gonna fry the chicken. Fucking hate frying chicken, man. There's too many wet stuff. There's like oil everywhere. Also, like, have you guys seen the chicken? How do I show it to you? Look at it. The camera just won't focus, isn't it? I don't know what's the fucking problem with the camera, but it's the best camera we can have right now. I don't even know if this is recording. I'm gonna check this out first. Oh no, we're recording. It's fine. Alright, now we're frying the chicken, and let's just wait until the chicken's done. Alright, the chicken is just finished cooking. I'm just ready to cool down. In the meantime, I'm gonna give my cat medicine, and we'll cut back later. We'll cut back later when the chicken's cooled off and all the oil's drained out. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, now we're gonna chop the onions. Look at this beauty, and I can finally show off my beautiful chopping skill. Right? Here's a good trick if you want to chop onion. You want to skin it first. Is that fucking weird? Put it this side, hold it like this. Then you are supposedly just peel it off. So essentially I noticed when I was editing this video right now, this part when I'm chopping onions and shit was just so boring. Like it's just snooze. It's just kitchen talk, like saying things like, "Oh, you chopped the onions," and so I'm just gonna narrate over a speed up image. So what you do after you chop up the onions into, like, you know, half cut like that, you put on a bowl. Right, and then the chicken you just fried earlier, you coat it with teriyaki sauce. You put it on the pan, right, and then you put the onion over it, and then you put more sauce on top of it, right, and then you slap it in the oven for like, I don't know, around 150 degrees for like 20-25 minutes. In my opinion, it's already cooked, right? The only reason you put it in the oven so it sticks, it's like caramelized and everything. Yeah. Oh yeah, after this you're gonna see like the world's worst B-roll. Like the absolute like dog shit B-roll. Because I have tremors for some reason. Hope you enjoyed the B-roll.
Wherever I go, I know your spirit will haunt my tortured brain. Oh, rain.
So yeah, hopefully you reached the end of the video. That's the whole goddamn video. Like the only reason I'm making this video was to test my editing skills and everything. Hopefully it goes all well, the entire video. And you know, hopefully, you know, the sound wasn't too loud. I wasn't peaking too much every now and then. And it looks pretty damn great, don't you think? Right? And I'm starting to talk gibberish, so roll the outro.